Bunge ya kaunti ya Kitui kuyomundi ni ethiwa na kikalo kimwanya bala ya vitukithia mutatala ukwanetie usesei kaunti ya Kitui na muno isioni cia muvakani wa Kitui na kaunti mutui ya Tana River. Mutatala watha kwa mbungeni ni mutongoi wala aingi na MCA wa miambani Alex Mutambo Nganga na bala wakwatwa mbauni ya memba ingi mambunge mayenda usesei uthingelelo isioni ila sikombiletwe ni ithoko kumanwa na ithimanga mile kuma kaunti ya Tana River na ile ya Garissa ta endau malalani mutha ngune ngomeni Sikuru na Kanziko. Octobius Mbithi nukwelesya.
Mbunge ya kaunti ya Kitui ndini wa kikalo kimwanya kila chatwa miakone ya mbunge isukwena na utangazo ula witumbithitwe ikanzetini ya serikali namba 116 noti 1 kwi wakana wa chumwa ki ni yavitukithia mutalatala wivata muno wa kupanda nzia cia kulinda mavuthi mauvungulu wa mugo kaunti ya Kitui na muno isione ila ivakanite na kaunti ya Garissa na kaunti ya Tana River.
The National Police Service should effectively ensure that security is adequately heightened along the affected areas.
Ni mutalatala ula withakitwe mbungeni isu ni mutongoi wa ala anini mbungeni ya Kitui Alex Mutambo Nganga akwetwa mbau ni mutongoi wa ala aingi mbungeni isu Harrison Maluki Mawia ndini wa kikalo kila kitongoi ni speaker wa mbunge ya kaunti ya Kitui Kevin Kinengo Katesia.
The presence of these armed pastoralists in the affected areas has led to loss of life, disruption of learning, where school children fail to attend classes for fear of attacks and loss of property.
Nganga niwo na nyakuema kuyaniwa ni matesia alamethi twe majumwa ni aidi manga mile mena meiyo ya kao maumete kaunti ya Tana River na kaunti ya Garissa na kuthamia isioni cia kaunti ya Kitui ila ivakanite na kaunti isu tawadini ya endau malalani ngune mutha wadi ya ngomeni Sikuru na wadi ya Kanziko maimanda uidia wa Indo na Kivu.
The current state of affairs, if left unresolved, could be catalyst for clashes or conflict between the affected people or communities as they seek to protect their lives, livelihoods and their properties.
Ni mutalatala ula kwa unene wa kwa tuambao ni memba mambunge ya kaunti ya Kitui kikalone ki tongwe ni speaker Katesia iweta majisa kwitikila ona vanini ene dhima kaunti ya Kitui mekaleta oki kaunti ne esu.
It has come a time whereby you can live as a foreigner in your own house.
When we speak about the cameo orders and the verdicts, we don't apologize. Even if it means that we die in the line of duty, so be it.
When Kambas try to question Mr. Speaker, they are killed using guns, Mr. Speaker. And the government of the day is mum and quite about it, Mr. Speaker.
Sisi hatupakani na Wasomali. Sisi tunapakana na Tana River na ni Waborana. Kwa hivyo mtu akinunua ng'ombe yake hanajua anafaa ipeleke wapi kama hana kichaka cha kulisha.
Even the residents in Tana River are crying, are saying these people are coming here, killing our own camels in Tana River and they are fleeing away.
We need a statement to tell us where is our security.
Kwa wasia umwe mbunge isu ni yetikilana kana nongina chambe nzama ya kukunikila othukumi wa silikali cia mutio ko silikali ni nene yikie kikalo na nzama ya maundu mako kitia haki ya mwene nthi na iyo kana livoti ya undu wa kuthinikia mathina asu.
The Committee on Administration and Coordination of County Affairs jointly with Justice and Legal Affairs should inquire into the matter of insecurity with a view of coming up with a detailed report on the number of deaths occasioned, status of the proposed police post, and the living conditions of the people in the affected areas, amongst others, and table a report for consideration by the County Assembly of Kitui within 21 sitting days upon approval of this motion.
Silikali nene yingwatanio na silikali ya kaunti ya Kitui na yo yikidia isesesio cia volisi muvakani wa kaunti ya Kitui na Tana River ni cia thuguma undu vailite kusesea mwene nthi muvea wa volisi na guo wikulwa wikidia mugo ni wakwatikana isioni cia muvakani wa kaunti ya Kitui kikatiba kwa kuvena aithi asu mangamile meiyo ila menayo ya kau na kumekia mbini aithi ala meuthenia ene nthi makitui.
Disarmament of armed pastoralists. 2. Arrest of any pastoralist who encroach on people's land with a view of grazing camels and other livestock without their consent. The County Security Committee in the two aforementioned counties should be held responsible for any further losses of lives occasioned by the ensuing conflicts.
The national government, in conjunction with the county governments, should review the boundary cut line which demarcates Tana River and Kitui counties with a view of creating a buffer security zone to settle the historical boundary dispute.
Na nundu ndeto yongelwa ingi itwikangewa vatenzika mbunge ya kaundi ya Kitui niyenda amemba mayo makonyo sikaloni sianzama ya usesei kaundi ya Kitui kukonia vata usu wa kusiya uvungulu wa muwo za maila itongwewe ni kaundi commissioner wa Kitui.
Whenever the executive arm of the county government is engaged by the national government in matters of insecurity and other related matters, should always ensure that the county assembly is involved.
Ngilivotea vilingi wa mauvo nita wa Octobius Mbili.